Probably the biggest magnolia tree I've seen in a while. We're out in Broken Arrow today, South Broken Arrow, super convenient location. I actually came out here from about Harvard and 71st area in South Tulsa. Only took me about, I think it was 18 minutes to get here, so super convenient. But we're gonna check out this house today. I'll put the information on the screen for you so you can kind of know what we're walking into in today's home tour. Broker's open today. My friend Susan Bavard has this one listed. This one has got a 2-car garage there, but in the back, of course, we've got some more cool stuff, which we'll show you in a minute. 2.88 acres. You have all of this massive front yard. And in the back, it's pretty spectacular. You got a pool, outdoor kitchen, cabana area, some covered patio space. Pretty fantastic. But I love the rock on the outside, good flower beds. This one's move-in ready. You wouldn't have to do a whole lot. Nice front living space there. I love the beams on the top, obviously the fireplace. Around the corner is your dining and kitchen area, but I'm gonna go this way first. Here is that primary bedroom. Love the crown molding there. Nice amount of linen storage. Really massive shower. And then you've also got a nice tub there. Looking out to the backyard. You've got double vanities, toilet area. Here's the laundry all connected. And then on this side, or not this side, but I just want to show you the cool tiles on the floor, which are kind of matched up there on the shower. And look at that, we've come around into the kitchen. Granite, under-mounted sink, huge island, gas range. Also love the big picture window across the back, so if you're working in the kitchen, you can see into the backyard, which we're gonna check out here in just a minute. Really good sized pantry space. I'm gonna go back around before we get to that side of the house. Show you the other bedrooms. So you have a really nice full bath here. Love it. Shower. I like the full tile all the way through. It's nice. And then this was that primary bedroom. Oh, I forgot to show you the closet. Just caught on the rug there, but really good closet space. But we have the other bedroom here. You got nice closets along the back. And then on this side, another bedroom, really good sized rooms. Same closet thing on this side, but these are massive. I know in the video it doesn't always do it justice, but very large bedrooms. You have an attic fan as well. I don't have Mom with me today, but she always loves those. So they do catch my eye. But coming around through the kitchen, we're gonna check out the dining space and then we'll go outside. Really nice, connected into our living room. I love all the picture windows across the back. And show you the garage. Really nice 2-car garage. And there's that additional garage in the back as well as a carport if you have more things that you need to store. So let's head out there and check it out. So obviously if you're into entertaining, that kind of thing, great covered patio here. And look at all this. So the property line, you can see the first part is fenced, but it actually goes to the second line of trees back there. So, but fully fenced if you have dogs or whatever, you don't have to worry about doing that. Great pool space. Got the waterfall. You do have a storage shed out here as well. Not a storage shed, more on that in a second. So if you like to entertain, this is great for that. We've got the cabana here. I'll show you the kitchen more in detail in a second, but your pool equipment, storm shelter, and then over here is that second garage that I mentioned, as well as the carport, which is really great if you have, you know, if you want to have a home gym or whatever. These sellers, obviously you can see with the lift here, they used it as like a mechanic's garage. But then back here, you have their outdoor office, which is pretty great. Obviously workbench here. And then the carport. If you have, you know, an RV, boats, all that kind of stuff. I'll head over here and show you the other side of the kitchen. Everyone's hanging out, but I'm just gonna be like, get out of the way.
Well, I think the main thing is to
So you've got, oh my gosh, I won? What?
Ryan,
Look at that timing.
you won this.
What did I win?
It's
like
a
a
kit.
possibility.
It's a kit.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
What?
Yeah.
I'm gonna open it right now here.
because we don't want you to, we don't want to process it.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at all those goodies.
And that's more content when you're using
I mean, yeah, that's gonna be like a let's make pasta video.
Company,
So,
That's what I thought.
Susan, you're like the listing agent. What is this? A grill and then
This is like
Or
a
a-
cooler.
oh, cooler, or like a sink. Okay,
Yes.
grill over there,
Grill over there. Refrigerator here.
maybe there's some different
refrigerator and
Storage.
storage.
like that.
What's that?
Yeah,
There's a
I believe.
respectable way.
Oh, trash. Okay,
Yep.
very nice. And this is
Yes.
granite quartz. I think it's granite.
Yes.
More receptive
Yes.
to that.
Very nice. Very nice. Well, I talked about a lot. Is there anything specific that's like really cool?
Best neighborhood in the world.
Well, that's something I didn't talk about. So obviously, if I can get it to switch around here, there we go. There's no HOA, I assume.
No HOA.
Okay.
And it's not in the city limits. And it's
Okay.
in Bixby School District.
Wow.
Yes.
So if people want to modify, add guest house, build something, they don't really have to worry about a whole lot.
Not a whole lot.
Yeah.
You have to work with Tulsa County,
Well, yeah, but outside
which
of
is
that.
different than the working with the city. Yes.
Yes. Very cool.
But like I said, it's a great neighborhood, and
Is it a saltwater pool? Or not? I didn't look.
that I'm not sure.
That
Which
looks
it
like
is.
a saltwater tank, but I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Regardless, it's great for summer.
Yes, it
We're
is
just
perfect.
coming up on it, so
It is perfect for summer.
you should totally buy this house, and then you can
Yes.
enjoy the cabana and have all the summer parties.
Yes.
You know.
Perfect.
Okay. Awesome.
Thanks.
So if you're interested in it, I'll put a link in the description to all the photos and all that kind of stuff. I think it's a really great house, and like I mentioned earlier, it's a really good location. It only takes less than 30 minutes to get just about anywhere in Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So, what's over there?
Have you not been in?
No, I thought, is it a bathroom?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was a, I thought it was actually a storage building. What?
Isn't it cute?
Oh my gosh.
Just add another 50,000.
I mean, this definitely adds some value, I would
That's
say.
not a shower.
But still, okay, I said it was like pool storage, so I was half right. That's so cute though.
Garden
Okay, you can
door.
use it now. I'll guard it for you.
locked.
It has a lock. Okay, well, like I said, if you're interested in this home, definitely reach out to me. We'll put a link in the description to all the stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tours like this. And if I can ever be of assistance in all your real estate needs, whether you're moving in and around the greater Tulsa area or moving to the greater Tulsa area, would love to help you. So we'll see you in the next one.